Say when. Should I have a mask for this?
I'll do the roll bar.
Look at that. It's like a new one.
There's runs in it already.
There's not runs.
Oh, there will be when you finish.
Yeah, probably. Might put this on hyperlapse, it's going to take a while. Did you click on this video? You are legends. Welcome back to building a 40-year-old Landcruiser. In this episode, we weld some holes, we make others bigger, paint the inside, and get some floor down. Don't laugh, Law Farquaad. Rightio, that's the first coat primer done. So it says to wait 1 hour for it to dry, and then we'll do a second coat. Looks like there's run marks and crap everywhere because we didn't take it back to the proper finish that we should have. But yeah, rightio. So the painting in the outside of the car is drying. So we're up to the next stage, but the wind has picked up a lot, so we've moved into the shed. That's not black.
What? I don't care. This looks pretty.
Kind of reminds me of like that big white ute you see rolling around. Okay, so we just had to do a quick trip to Bunnings to get some more paint. Now we have gone for the interior a gloss apple red, and while we were gone the weather shield showed up. Now JT's just we got him some more paint too, so let's go have a look what he's up to. Far out, mate. Bit dark in here, is it?
Hey,
that is unreal. So yeah, we'll have a look how the primer's dried in the back now. So I had 2 coats of primer. The battery went flat before I could do the second coat, so holy, that's bright. So yeah, it's not looking too bad. Obviously this here still, none of that's been done. We've just sort of done from that back section. I was having some issues with the welder, so I actually haven't welded up any of this. Someone has done all this in the past with the big holes and all that. So I've still got to do all that. So today's focus was just basically from the doors back, get it all painted and prepped, and then we can start doing the door cards for the rear and stuff like that, and the roll bar. So there's not much order or organisation what's going on here. It's just sort of however we feel we're doing it. But yeah, we'll keep going.
It's all hands on deck here this afternoon. We got JT.
Hey.
Hey.
And you know what this means? This is the old gloss apple red. It's about to go down. Have a look at this, right? We don't know if the lid is the right colour or if this is the right colour. But that's pretty close. But if it's the lid,
it's not very close.
But lucky it's inside, so you can't really see.
Oh dear.
That is extremely bright red, that one.
Oh.
Maybe when it dries, it will dry darker. What do you reckon?
Maybe it's because the rest of the car is just a dull red.
Just look, in the photo of the chair, it's like a dark red. Maybe it will dry darker. What do you reckon? It's hard to tell. It's too late now, isn't it?
Too late now. It's meant to be retro red.
Maybe it will dry darker.
I'll spray the ground when no one sees.
Right, then you spray the
Righto.
Apparently I'm not doing it right.
Go.
So you put pressure on it?
Yes, but on an angle. Like you don't put it flat. Yeah, sort of like that's too much of an angle.
Oh
Now
my
pull the
God.
trigger. Pull the trigger.
Where?
But hard. Go.
There they are.
I'll just get in it when it's done.
Never still got the whole bar to do it.
10 hours later.
must be almost done. We've been standing here long enough.
Alright.
We've got 3 more weeks child support, we'll be right.
The
Yeah.
roads fix themselves anyway. Don't want to finish too early.
No, God no. No, can't finish too
This
early.
contract goes for 7 years.
Give it 15 minutes and let the cars go past.
Yeah.
Catch me washing my tank. We are going to give away a $100 gift card from Larrikin 4x4. All you got to do to go into the draw is like, comment, tag a mate in our post, and you can go in the draw. You get a $100 gift card to go towards some of the best 4x4 clothing there is.
Alright, today we are taking off the door cards, painting the doors. That includes the front, the rear. So Kade is busy doing something at the moment. So it's up to me for a little bit. So here we go. Wrong way. No wonder that's stuffed. Now it's time to sand it back. Alright, update. We have pulled off the door and Kade's welding. Safe.
Hey?
Safe.
Safe.
S-A-F-E-T. What does that spell? Safety.
Safety.
I'm just going to tack it.
Little fella gets his fucking welding mask and sifters there with top-notch A-grade.
Don't worry, it was on grind.
Oh. The helmet was on grind.
We are safety 101.
Okie dokie.
Here we go.
Get your
Safety
face
first.
mask on, rightio. Look at that, looks factory. Almost.
It actually looks pretty close. If you get a little zoom up there.
Not really.
Well, if you look from far away, it does.
If you look from back here, it does. Righto. The final coat is in progress. Final or second?
It actually
Maybe
looks
just
so
second.
good.
Bit blessed with the wind, not.
Yeah.
And I'll show you what the rear doors look like after the first coat. Obviously we're not worried about overspray on the old paint. Just the windows. Yeah. Well, someone missed the primer there, didn't they?
Come out and see what little fella's doing. What's he up to today? What are you doing?
I don't know anymore.
You know anymore?
Painting the process. Weld, blow a big hole, grind it back, fill it in, keep welding. We're almost there though, like the doors are done, the back's done, the rear doors are done. We've just got the hard part now,
The hard part.
the floor here.
Oh, there is a bit of shit in there.
Right,
Isn't there?
but the old Chevy decided to not break down, but just, it's not happy today. So,
It wasn't happy yesterday afternoon, was it?
So we're waiting for a socket to fix the diff seal. So I thought, while we wait, we might as well weld this up and get this painted. But at least we might have one running car by the end of today.
Anyway, these are the back doors, obviously. That looks alright.
Okie dokie, first step of today, we put these little rubber grommets in and we've bolted the seat mounts in correctly. So don't worry about the rough welding and everything like that. So it was bolted here before, tech screwed in to here and like tech screwed along there with holes everywhere. So yeah, we've gone ahead and bolted everything in properly. Everything's all painted. It's come up looking like brand new. Rubber grommets. Let's go around the back. Yeah, not too bad. These are all new little rubbers. So yeah, next step will be to remove the stereo and run the speaker cables in behind the dash down. We're going to have a speaker there, and then one in each door as well. So we'll have 4 speakers. I was going to do the back doors here. Just here and here, but I don't know, you don't really need it. Look at the car, it's a shitty car. So, yeah. Okay, so I borrowed the old man's heavy duty rivet nut tool. I had to read the instructions and work out how to change the bloody end in the damn thing. So we read the instructions, and then the Toyota ones of these are only plastic with like little bolts. They're actually changing it to proper riv nuts so we can bolt it down properly. There's only 4 in it. This one was missing. So we'll go ahead and pull the other 3 out and then swap that. And yeah, show you what it looks like when it's done. And literally 2 minutes later, they're all pressed in. And that's how they squish the back. Dang it! They squish the back around here and crimps it on the front. So you get a nice little nut. Because I can't find the GoPro, this is the finished product. So nice bolts are in, all bolted nice and tight this time. Before we had a massive gap under here, letting all the hot air in. So yeah, gear knobs are done. My next step is to go find the GoPro, and then we're going to be laying the floor down, laying the waterproof insulation down, and then the floor. Yeah.
All right, it is back together day. Back together day?
I don't think that makes sense.
Put the car back together.
How about, we're putting it back together today.
I just said back together day.
So, what we are opening up right now, while Shania is trying to film, is waterproof carpet underlay. So, as you would have seen at this point in the video, our rubber grommets are in, the floor's painted, the seat braces have been bolted in properly, all the holes have been filled correctly, or with silicone, one or the other. So now it is time for our waterproof carpet underlay. Now this little baby is meant to be 10 millimeters thick.
Oh, it's pretty thick. So
this will go down on the floor to roll. It's meant to be a roll. And then once we put this down, it's got an adhesive back on it. So we're going to peel the adhesive back, lay it all, squish it into the grooves, and then the vinyl floor will go in. So it's actually still sitting in the box over there.
In the box.
Because the instructions with it were, make sure you have 10 millimeter thick underlay. Put this all down, get it all right, and then the vinyl floor, once it unopens, because it was only just made, needs to go straight in so it can settle in the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and roll this baby out, and we're going to start cutting. Dang it! You know, it looks easier on the Facebook groups.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, mate. Sticking to everything. Before I even get it in here, it's sticking to stuff.
And now we repeat.
Kadaki, we're walking around and this is what it looks like so far. Pretty patchy. What do you think?
Hey, it's a puzzle piece.
It is a puzzle piece. So it gives you a rough idea. Look, we didn't cut it perfect, obviously.
It's a 10-second car.
That's the only reason we need this stuff is because that's what it said, to put the vinyl floor on. So we Shania's still doing the jigsaw piece. She's filling all the little gaps. So I'm going to do the exciting part and open this up, which is the floor.
Whoa!
Are you ready for it?
Yeah. I'll move the scissors and you can put it straight in.
Okay, so we had some technical difficulties. I left the GoPro facing the ground. YouTube life. So this is our floor that we got from True Fit. And it's true, it doesn't fit. So you've actually got to trim a heap off apparently, which
Does it say that in
unaware
the
of.
instructions, like right there?
No, all this says is, okay, the instructions. Please remove items from packaging and review as soon as possible. Tick. Read full instructions before beginning. Remove the product from packaging, lay flat and pop contours back into place. Allow a few hours for the product to relax to its original molded shape. And it actually has a photo of how it's meant to go. Compare new and old flooring. We don't have old flooring. First.
So hang on, so we have to leave this out, not in the car, just out of the box.
That's what it says.
Yeah, so probably we should do that.
I ain't worried.
Right, he's put the seat in.
Yeah. Oh, I cut the wrong hole. God dang it!
Right.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next episode, the interior gets the love it deserves and the roof comes flying off. Catch you in the next step.